We just arrived at Marahau, which is where we're getting the boat to the Abel Tasman. I'm trying to tell. Someone is grouchy. It's absolutely pissing it down as predicted, and I said we didn't need to rush this morning because the boat's not till 12 and it was raining all day. But you know what Arthur's like, loves to get to things early, and it's now 10 o'clock and we've arrived and the boat's not till 12. So weather is delightful. I'm gonna go and get him a coffee, maybe we can just calm down for a minute. Yes, it's gonna rain all day today basically, which is a bit of a shame. But tomorrow hopefully will be nice and the next day will be nice. So today is our shortest walk, it's only 15k to the first hut, and then we'll probably just play cards and just chill because it'll be raining. Let's go! We have arrived in Totranui and it is wet. We've done a few boat stops along the way. A few little cock-ups for the boat company, but it was all quite funny. And we've got a 15k walk now, is it?
Roughly.
15k walk, and we're going to get drenched. But never mind. There's a school of 50 children. Luckily we won't pass them, but imagine looking after that many children. Nightmare. Anyway, we're the only ones that are walking in this direction, everyone else is going the other way. So hopefully we'll have the track to ourselves. The beaches are pretty cool, seen some seals.
So over Gibbs Hill we're going to Wainui and then around to our hut. It's a 400 metre hill, Gibbs Hill. Probably the highest one on the whole of the Abel Tasman. A lot of rain at the moment. A lot of rain. We are halfway through our 400 metre climb. And not too bad with the packs on, but it's a little bit different. Mine must weigh, oh, at least 20, probably 25 I'd say. Bex's maybe between 15 and 20. But she looks like she's having a great time. Like the lollipop man.
Just skip swimming. It is wet. We're climbing up a waterfall essentially.
A stream.
I wish I'd had 2 breakfasts like you.
Yeah, so what happened, went to a cafe. Our boat was originally at 12 and we arrived super early. I was like, oh well, plan is, oh, you go first. A little bit of a bog.
Oh. There's no way of escaping there.
The boat was at 12, get there early, have a breakfast in the cafe, and that will be our meal until the evening when we arrive in the hut. So got there, we'd had breakfast at what, 8 in the B&B, and I was like, right, breakfast burger please. Beck's like, oh no, I don't want anything. I was like, okay, your call. And then end up getting the 10:30 boat. I took away my sandwich, super nice on the boat. And now Bex is hungry. That's the end of the story. Always eat when you can. That was such a good breakfast bun as well. that is the official start of the Abel Tasman Wainui, and here is the hut we're staying in tonight. 30 mins. We're going to get there early. Lucky I brought my book, because there'll be nothing to do because it's raining.
I brought cards.
And cards.
So I can whip your butt.
And there'll be no jelly snakes because Bex has eaten them all already. But a nice hot cup of tea. Well, we made it. 2.5 hours. Tochanui via Gibbs Hill to Warangi hut. Ooh, and the hut's pretty busy. Hopefully our stuff dries for tomorrow. But we'll see. And hopefully it's warm inside. Cannot wait to have some food and a cup of tea. Hoping this weather clears up for tomorrow. Just had our first night in the first hut. Fanganui hut. Pretty wet yesterday. Got the fire going and dried most things out. Learned a few lessons after our first rainfall. Have a dry bag inside your hiking pack because my sleeping bag was completely soaking. But the fire dried it out and I slept pretty well. I wonder how Beck slept. How we're looking.
My shoes are so wet. I slept terribly. There was so much nonsense going on in the room last night. I don't know how you slept through it.
What was going on? I wasn't aware of this nonsense.
Like the campers who were supposed to stay outside were coming inside. In, out, shuffling up and down the bed, putting mattresses onto the floor.
No, I missed all that. Did they take the mattress? Yeah.